everyone, welcome. Here we are, we're out here in the back property. We're getting ready to dig up and plant the garden for the season, and we're so excited, and we're just gonna show you from ground breaking up through when the plants start coming out, all the fruits and the vegetables. We're so excited, so hope you love it. Well, we just finished phase one, clearing the dirt here on the land, and tomorrow we're going to get out here and start doing some ripping.
I got a little dream grown from a little seed, go where we never been before. The whole world's watching us, yeah, make a load of us, look, 'cause we're looking this good. These moving feet, something you've never seen before. Yeah, jump up, let's get it on. Come on, we're feeling strong. You know we're looking this good. Come on, yeah, we're just having fun. Turn it up, fun. Turn it up. Come on, yeah, we're just having fun. Turn it up, everybody's having fun. Turn it up, fun, fun. Turn it up, turn it up, turn it up, fun. Turn it up, come on. We're just having fun. Turn it up, fun. Turn it up.
Today we're spreading compost and mixing it into the dirt for the vegetable garden.
And every time when you need something, you got snacks.